Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today we're going to be checking out the Vick Audio 73 Ram's Head pedal, and I'll be playing a 2006 Dean USA Razorback ML. Now we're going to be playing through a Marshall JCM 800 combo. It's going to get real heavy. Let's check it out. The Vick Audio 73 Ram's Head is a fantastic fuzz pedal. It just has volume here, tone here, and sustain here, which is essentially the amount of fuzz. It also has, as many of their pedals do, a boost, flat, and cut switch, which is great to be able to get more out of the pedal, essentially. It's a lot smoother than the V1 that they make, but it's also has a lot more sustain than the Black Russian, so it has a nice little niche in their lineup. Fantastic pedal, runs off 9-volt, 2/4 inch, super simple, very affordable. I'm a big fan of theirs. Love the violet Ram's Head, and this one did not disappoint in any way. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I sure did. Swing on by GuitarChimp.com and see all the great stuff we have, and check out the pedals and check out the guitars. It's a great time. We got all sorts of social media, so Google us. That's a fun time as well. And you know, subscribe to our channel, give us the likes and whatnot. And yeah, I guess we'll see you later.